Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over style guides, how to create them, and how to use them. All right. So style guides are just a simple way of pre-configuring, styling, and setting those styles to elements so that whenever you drag and drop those elements, they have those pre-configured styles. This is just a way to speed up your app development to create that consistency across with your design. And it has so many other benefits. All right, so I'm currently in my in the Inhouz Cloud app builder in our demo application. So as you can see, we have some interesting looking text here. It's red text with some italic design, and it's bold. In the previous video, we configured this styling and we actually saved it. If I go over here to my saved styles in our style guide, I can see the red italic text, which is what we have applied here. So to use this save style, I could simply drag and drop a text block, select that new text block, and just go over here and say I want to import save styles, and basically just type in red italic, or just type in I'll start typing red italic, and the system will find that save style. And once I hit apply, it basically applies that saved style. But if you notice, that's a couple of steps. I have to drag and drop, then I have to go find and fetch that style. But if I want to build a style guide and just speed this process up a little bit, it's a pretty straightforward process. All right, let's go ahead and delete this text block element. To create a style guide for an element, all I need to do is go to the style guide and go to the style guide tab, select my elements. In this case, it's a text block. There we go. And I want to set it to the red italic text. All right, perfect. So now my application now has been configured to have this red italic text styling be binded to every text block that is dragged and dropped. All right, so let's see that in action. So now I'm going to go ahead and drag that text block again, and I'm going to paste it right there. And as you can see, it already has the styling applied because we've basically created a style guide, and we basically said, hey, for every single text block elements that we drag and drop, we want to apply our red italic text styling to it. And it's really that simple. You can do this to every single element. You can do it to buttons, sliders, tables, you name it. You could pretty much do this just about everything. All right, that's it for creating a style guide. This is going to help speed up your development, and this is going to help you create, do some very detailed styling, and know that you don't have to do it over and over again. You could just save that and create that style guide, and start designing beautiful applications at rapid pace. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.